Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Triumph Street Triple adds more power for city and track riders. So make sure to watch the full video. Triumph introduces the Street Triple 2023, adding more power to meet the needs of city and racetrack users. The limited edition Street Triple R, Street Triple RS, and Moto2 Edition will light up your bike. Triumph has released the 2023 Street Triple R, Street Triple RS, and Street Triple Moto2 Edition on November 3, 2022. A model that will take down every middleweight brand. Ready for its official debut in 2023. 3-cylinder 765cc liquid-cooled engine produces 118.4 horsepower at 11,500 revolutions per minute, while the RS and Moto2 Edition each produce 128.2 horsepower at 12,000 revolutions per minute. Peak torque for all three models at 9,500 revolutions per minute. The torque is 80 Newton-meters. The Belgian market won't get a separate horsepower, all of which will have the same horsepower, which is 114 horsepower at 11,300 revolutions per minute. Triumph says the Street Triple has a responsive and stable acceleration, thanks to a 6-speed transmission with a wet clutch, slick clutch, and assist clutch. All three vehicles will now come with the quick shifter as standard equipment. Factory-attached bikes. The Street Triple R and RS feature handlebars that are 12 millimeters wider than their predecessors, while the Moto2 Edition adds a set of clips that are 80 millimeters lower and 50 millimeters more than the standard handlebars. If you are looking to ride the Moto2, you might find it useful. The suspension is from Linz, fully adjustable, and the brakes are Brembo style. The following is what you get with each bike in terms of suspension and braking. Forks on the 2023 Street Triple R and RS are Showa USD 41mm big piston forks with 115 millimeters of travel and are fully adjustable. There is a 115 millimeters fork travel on the front fork of the Moto2 Edition. The fork is in Linz Nix 30 adjustable fork. The Street Triple R comes with a Showa monoshock, fully adjustable, and has 133.5 millimeters of fork travel at the rear. For more travel, step up to an RS or Moto2 Edition, and you'll get an Linz Steak X40 crankcase. 131.2 millimeters is the diameter of the shock absorber. For the braking system, the Street Triple R gets Brembo M4.324 piston monoblock calipers with dual 310 millimeters discs, while the Street Triple RS and Moto2 Edition get Brembo style brake kits. There are 4 pistons, radial monoblock calipers, Brembo MCS radial pumps, and dual 310 millimeters discs with ABS. On the Street Triple R, you get Continental Conti Road tires, instead of Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP V3 tires on the 17-inch cast aluminum wheels. Additional updates to the 2023 Triumph Street Triple lineup include an adaptive optimized traction control system supported by the EMU, as well as an enhanced cornering ABS. Additionally, the Street Triple R offers 4 riding modes: road, rain, sport, and custom. There is a multifunctional instrument cluster on the 2023 Triumph Street Triple. Both the RS and Moto2 models come with a 5-inch color TFT display that can be adjusted to optimize the rider's view. Additionally, My Triumph connectivity is already activated. It is ready to pair with your smartphone of choice. The entire light is LED. It has been developed from the ground up. The Moto2 Edition features a carbon fiber body along with a new pipe shape designed to improve air compression. Each color is limited edition. Each color was limited to 765 units. Silver ice with storm gray and yellow graphics, or crystal white with storm gray and lithium flame graphics, will be available for the Street Triple R. There are 3 color options for the Street Triple RS: Silver Ice with Baja Orange, and Storm Gray graphics, Carnival Red with graphics, Cosmic Yellow with Carbon Black and Aluminum Silver graphics, or Carbon Black and Aluminum Silver. The Moto2 Edition comes with your choice of 2 racing stripes. Triumph Racing Yellow features a crystal white silver aluminum rear subframe and Triumph Racing Yellow rear subframe. Both colors are exclusive to the Moto2 lineup. Pricing and availability of the 2023 Triumph Street Triple will vary by region. In the US, the Street Triple 765R is priced at $10,037. The Street Triple RS is priced at $12,659, and the Moto2 Edition is priced at $15,473. In the US, the Street Triple 765R is priced at $10,037. The Street Triple RS is priced at $12,659, and the Moto2 Edition is priced at $15,473. What do you think about the Street Triple 765 range? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.